Now, first question to Samisha. Samisha, what is manual testing and how it is differ from the automation? Yes, Samisha.
Sir, manual testing is the process of manually testing software for its defects, and
And
uh, it requires a tester to play the role of an end user,
okay,
whereby they use most of the application features.
okay, okay. Aditi want to answer? Yes, Aditi.
Manual testing cannot capture the whole things, uh, and we retest one application many times. So manual testing is a like very boring process that we do not continue, do not done repeatedly. So we prefer that run the script by the automation and regression testing and many more testing types uh, done with the automation and automation testing is provide more security, uh, unlike human,
Okay, fine.
more than human.
Okay, Swara, you want to
Yes,
answer
sir.
the same question?
Yeah. Can
Okay.
I answer this question?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So manual testing, in manual testing, you perform the test step by step without any help of tools. Whereas in automation testing, tests are executed automatically using the automation tools and frameworks.
Okay, great. See, answer should be sweet and simple, right? जब भी आप आगे वाले को आंसर दोगे ना, तो उसको समझ में आना चाहिए कि इसको आंसर का डीपली नॉलेज है. ठीक है. Now, next question for you, Sadhna. What is functional testing and what is non-functional testing? Differentiate both.
In functional testing, we can check actual result, expected result. In non-functional testing, we are checking application system regarding the performance of the system.
Okay, fine. Samiksha, next question for you. How you will define one tier application? And can you give one example of it?
The one-tier application contains presentation layer, database layer, and business logic layer in one system. And example is Excel, games.
Okay, good one. Now, Swara, this one for you. What is static testing and what is dynamic testing? Yes, Swara.
Um, yes, sir. Static testing is a white box testing, which is done at early stage of development life cycle, and it is more cost effective than dynamic testing, where dynamic testing is done at the latter stage of development life cycle. Static testing methods includes walkthroughs and code review, where dynamic testing involves functional and non-functional testing in it.
Okay, chalo. So, Aditi, uh, what is SDLC and why it is important for any software development?
SDLC is a process used by the software industry to and develop um, and test an application. Uh, uh, SDLC ensures software. SDLC ensures high quality of the software, and we through this process we can check the that software meets our or customer expectations not, and within this process we can calculate time and calls us also.
Okay, chalo, great. Samiksha, can you answer what is bug, what is defect, and what is bug, defect, and error? Differentiate between bug, defect, and error.
Bug means the variation between the actual results and expected results is known as defect. Sorry, And bug. Uh, if testers find any mismatch in the application, then we call it as bug. And error, if we can't run a program due to coding mistake in that program, then we say it is a error.
Okay. Sadhna, when you call failure, what is failure? Yes. Anybody want to answer? What is failure? When you are in software development, when we call failure, this is failure. Yes, Vara.
We can say that if the end user detects an issue in the product, then that particular issue is called as a failure.
Okay, great. Nice. Now, Sadhna, let me know STLC steps, software testing lifecycle steps.
Or exactly. First step, second step, analysis, test bed,
Okay, just 1 minute.
software
Okay,
testing.
yes, STLC.
In the STLC, there are 6 steps and for testing lifecycle. First of all, first is requirement gathering, then requirement analysis, test case planning, test bed creation, execution of test cases, and then last one is the test cycle.
Okay. Aditi, in test planning phase, what is goal of that particular phase? Okay. Who want to answer? Goal
Hello.
of test planning phase. Sora?
In
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
test planning phase, we can uh, study the whole documents and documentation and requirement. So according to that, we can prepare test cases, test suits according to our requirement for that software application.
Okay. Answer is correct, but I want in more clear way. Anybody want to answer? Okay, Sadhna. Let Sadhna answer, then Swara will answer. Okay, Sadhna.
By using requirement analysis, we analyze the
No, analysis. Test planning phase. I want to answer about test planning.
in the test planning, we can finalize the scope and testing part of the project. We finalize the testing procedure for test suite. What we have to apply for the testing in particular application.
Okay, Swara.
Yes, sir. So during this phase, the test strategy is outlined in a test plan document. In this strategy, it includes which tools needed for the testing, testing steps, and roles and responsibilities. And it includes the risk and cost analysis and an estimated timeline for the testing.